Alright guys, now another thing that you can do with Crystal is that you don't need to actually pass in your arguments within a parentheses. You can come here, take this out, right? Go like that, go like that, take this out, take this out, take this out, and automatically it's smart enough to say, hey, this is a method, okay? And anything that comes after the space here is considered an argument, okay? So it will look at this and will say, okay, cool. We got name, age, and city, and it's smart enough to actually align it and say, okay, that's the name, that's the age, and that's the city. All right. You can also come here and do something like this where you actually go in and pass in the actual name of the argument. So for example, you wanted to write Boston first, right? And you come here and you pass in Boston. Then you will also have to pass in the name of it. You will say city, okay, put a space, put a comma. This you will say this is the name, okay, and this is the actual age. All right, delete this comma from here. Now we're gonna come here and do the same thing, flip this around, put this last, okay, put a comma here, and I just want to show you guys that everything works exactly the same. Age 19, this is actually the, what was it, the city, okay, NYC, we got, what else, the name, okay, and there we go. Okay, so we have everything like that, and let's create another one. So we're gonna say something like this. This one is Dean, okay, and we're gonna use the older way to do this with parentheses. Pass this down. We got Dean 28. Then here we could put in actually let's say city, okay, and there we go. So you can see there's multiple ways to call this methods. So let's clear this and let's run this. Okay, so it's giving us an issue here for whatever reason. Move this in. Okay, and there you go. So it was the space. You can't use a space and then use the parentheses. You have to use the parentheses right next to the name of the method. Okay, so let's come here and there you go. So we see everything ran. James sorry, Joe ran, Cindy ran, Dean ran. So everything is good. So let's clear this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Just wanted to show you guys that thing because it's important, because you might see a lot of people that write their code like this, okay, or they might write it like this, and you'll be like, wait, aren't they supposed to be using parentheses? It's like, no, like you could use it in multiple ways however you want it. Okay, it's up to you. It's like your preference. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.